I'm standing here at Bridgefoot Street in Dublin 8, which is the proposed site for a new creative campus for the Liberties. The proposal is part of a €19 million urban regeneration project that aims to deliver new workspace for artists in the city with a particular focus on the Liberties. It's an ambitious plan, but it's hoped that the campus here on Bridgefoot Street could result in an economic benefit to the region in excess of 30 million over a 10-year timeframe. Meanwhile, 2 more sites on Merchants Quay could also receive an €8 million investment, bringing further benefits to the area. The vision of the project is to jointly develop the sites and partner with existing organisations in Dublin 8, such as the National College of Art and Design. It's an early feasibility study funded by the Urban Regeneration Development Fund, but if the project goes ahead, it has the potential to transform the Liberties area and deliver a positive, vibrant and cultural-led community. This is good news for Dublin 8.